Alright, so we're gonna get our stencil down. I'm gonna try to find best place for this. Sure, that looks good, doesn't it?
Close enough.
Begin the cutting process with Hyper Tough.
Hyper tough. Only the best. High quality.
You're doing so good, Hyper.
Hey, that was a good sound. That was really
Alright. Clean up the edges a little bit.
rear hose.
See if she fits. Wire. Alright.
Let me get a closer look at that.
It's a high quality wire. From y'all. Down to y'all. Y'all. So I have my fuse. All these are full, but I have my light bar running to a 10 amp fuse, or sorry, not a 10 amp, I think it's a 35 actually. It's a big boy. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about how we wire up our fog lights. So I drew out a little design here to kind of go by on how they're wired up. So we start off with our relay. And it's a 4-pin relay. That's all you'll need for this. You'll need a switch, toggle, or whatever you prefer. I prefer a toggle switch. There's two ways of wiring it up. You can either go from the switch, which we're gonna wire in first. We'll do our switch. We'll find a place for our switch inside the cab. We'll wire one of our pins. It can be either left or right, whatever one you choose to start off with first. Either can go straight to a fuse box, a place in your fuse box. Maybe you have like a fog light fuse already in there that's not used. You could go in straight there, or you can just go straight to the battery. And then your other opposite pin, you'll ground out. Your middle pin will run straight to the 85 slot on your relay. And then your 86 slot on your relay is going to be grounded out to anywhere on the frame, piece of metal that touches the frame, just ground it out to a solid piece of metal on your vehicle. The 30 pin is going to be straight to the positive side of the battery, and you want to put a fuse in that line of wire just in case it gets too much power. You don't want to blow your relay because then you're out on everything. And then your 87 pin will be wired straight to each fog light. So I have it wired up to where they're both connecting. You don't want to connect them like that. You kind of want to do an individual wire for each one, because there's a thing called voltage loss. When I wired mine up, which you've seen before this clip, I wired them together. I just jumped wires and I lost voltage. So one's dim, one's bright. You don't want that. I would suggest just go ahead and run another wire instead of jumping, because if it's done right and perfect, you'll get no voltage loss. But if it so happens to move a little bit, you're going to lose voltage. So just go ahead and run that extra wire. And then you're going to ground out your other wire to the frame, metal on the frame, anywhere that there's bare metal. But yeah, that's the full wiring instructions for the fog lights. You just got to hide all the wires, loom them up, tie them up, and then that's it for that. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment of anything you think we did wrong or should do better, or if you just have a suggestion on what we should do next, just let us know. We're always open for comments.